Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna do this really simple Nanami cosplay makeup look. As you can see, this makeup look is like pretty simple and it's just contour and highlight. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first and foremost I'm gonna go in with some primer and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. I'm not going in with any contacts because he has brown eyes and so do I. So I'm gonna keep it natural for the eyes. And yeah, just massaging all the primer in. Now for the eyebrows, if you've seen the anime, the eyebrows is pretty straight. So I'm gonna have to cover and block out my entire eyebrows. So I've just gone in with some glue and I'm flattening out my eyebrow hair basically, trying to get it as flat as possible. And once the glue is dry, I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder and just set that whole eyebrow. And as you can see, I'm like baking those eyebrows, so taking out all the moisture from it. Now that it's baking, I'm gonna go in with some color corrector and I'm just color correcting like all the dark spots and all the discolorations on my face because he has a very clean canvas and I want a nice and bright clean canvas, so that's why I'm color correcting heavily on my face. This is no way a natural makeup tutorial, so yeah, just taking a fluffy brush and dusting off the bake. Now going in with that same orange color corrector and correcting the eyebrows as well. Now blending all of that in with a damn beauty blender, and be sure not to blend it too much, otherwise there's like you're diminishing the entire purpose of the color corrector. So just blend it on a light hand. And be very gentle with how you blend around the eyebrows because you don't want to apply too much pressure. As you can see, I'll show you how I do it. And basically don't apply too much pressure, otherwise you'll disturb your eyebrow hairs that you've done so much to to make it sit flat on your face. Now for foundation, I'm just gonna lather all of the foundation over my face. I'm going in with like a full coverage foundation right here. And yeah, blending that too in with a damn beauty blender. And if you see any orange spots, please don't go in with more foundation because you're going to put on concealer later on. So just go in with how much foundation you need and just blend it all well. Again, while blending the foundation on your eyebrows, use a light hand. I would suggest not to go too heavily, otherwise you will disrupt what you've just done. Okay, now I'm going in with some concealer and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, chin, and all the places where I feel I need to bring out my features. And I'm placing the highlight of my cheekbones like quite to the lower jaw because Nanami basically has a nice lower jaw. So I'm just going and I'm structuring my face that way. And now again blending all of that in with a damn beauty blender. If you want to bring out your features more, you can right now I've gone in with a like a skin tone ish, like maybe a shade or two lighter than my skin tone. If you want to bring out your features more, you can go in with a brighter concealer and like do the same steps. That's completely fine. Now for contour, I'm just going in with a darker shade of foundation and I'm placing it on my forehead. As you can see, he's got really good jawline, so I'm just creating a fake jawline for me because I don't have that sort of manly jawline. And the hollows of my cheek, trying to structure that as well in a manly fashion. Getting a really skinny nose because he has a really skinny nose and I don't. So yeah. Just filling all of that in, and now again blending all of that in with a damn beauty blender. As you can see, I've created like really hollow cheekbones. As you can see, after I blending out the contour. So yeah, gonna blend all of that in. Now to set my face, I'm gonna go in with some loose powder and I'm gonna take this makeup sponge and just set my entire face with this loose powder. This is also a brightening powder, so it's just bringing out my features even more, and I'm setting everywhere where I feel like I need to just set the entire face. Now to dust off the entire thing, I'm going in with a compact powder and just dusting all of that. Now for eyebrows, I'm going in with this eyebrow pomade and I'm trying to get like a straight brow that Nanami has. I had a lot of trouble doing this, but yeah, I got the straight brow. Just filling in all the gaps. Now to clean up the brow, I went in with that same concealer and cleaned up the entire brow. And I've gone in with a fluffy brush and some contour powder to bring out my contour even more. Taking a tiny brush for the nose. Getting some nice contour on my eye sockets as well. And now just to blend everything in, I'm baking my face with the same loose powder. I've kept it on for a while and then I'm just brushing all of this off with a fluffy brush. As you can see, it's looking all really smooth and nice. Okay, now going in with this beige eyeshadow, I'm just gonna place it on my eyelids. Now for eyeliner, I've gone in with a gel eyeliner first and I'm just gonna slightly line my eyes. Just dragging my eyes a little, like dragging the wing a little bit outward, giving a tiniest little wing. And I'm also gonna go fill all of it in my waterline. This ensures that I get those nice fine eyes that Nanami has. Now that it's done, I'm going in with another liquid eyeliner and just going over everything I did with the gel. Applying a little bit of mascara as well on my upper lashes. Not doing too much because obviously he's a guy, he does not have like those kind of lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown and just smudge my lower lash line. Now for my lips, I'm just blocking out the natural color of my lips with the leftover foundation and concealer that was there on my sponge. Going in with this nice pinkish red shade and just dabbing it in the center of my lips and blending it out with my fingers to give a nice flush look. And yeah, that's pretty much it.